Would you look at that? That crops up every now and then. It's not consistent. But I think it's, like a dam at the bottom of the highway. This is the Legazpi highway. Yeah, that's the Legazpi highway right there. And then it all comes down here. And it kind of gets blocked up. And every now and then it just flares up. I guess the intense pressure of all those overheated rocks do this. But it's pretty amazing. It's a nice clear day. We can get a nice good look at this. Look at that. At the bottom of the Legazpi highway. What an incredible mountain, right?